So on and so forth, my dear friends. And lack of time, I am not going through the total pages. And clearly the data from this experiment indicated that Noni was able to make the animals tolerate more pain compared to the placebo group. The length of toleration time was dose dependent. Immunologic activity, Asiana found that an alcohol extract Noni fruit at various concentration inhibited the production of tumor necrosis factor alpha, which is an endogenous tumor promoter. Therefore, the alcohol extract may inhibit the tumor promoting effect of TNF. Hirozumi found that Noni precipitate contains a polysaccharide-rich substance that inhibited the tumor growth. This suggested the possibility that Noni precipitate may suppress tumor growth through activation of the host immune system. Wang and co-worker in University of Illinois College of Medicine observed that the thymus in animals treated with Noni juice was enlarged. The weight of thymus was 1.7 times that of control animals whose drinking 10% of Noni juice in drinking water. Mental and health improved high frequency hearing. A small human clinical trial of the effect of Noni juice on auditory function and quality of life in the patients with a decreased bone mineral density and auditory function has been conducted in UIC College of Medicine, Rockford, Illinois, Chicago. This study showed that Noni juice provided a positive benefit on mental health and improved high frequency of hearing. Unpublished research on the pharmacokinetics of Noni was carried out at the UIC laboratory in Rockford, Illinois by Dr. Wang. Allergenicity and toxicology. Moringa, the acute toxicology studies in rats to assess the acute toxicity of Noni juice. 15,000 milligrams per kg was administered by Bhavas. The animals were observed for 14 days. Animals survived with no adverse clinical signs were noted. No allergic reactions were seen in this study. No positive allergic reactions were seen in any Noni group of animals following the study. Statistical clinical survey. Recently, Ned Solomon, formerly Maryland's first Secretary of Health and Mental Hygiene, finished a statistical clinical survey that offers a fairly accurate picture of Noni's medicinal benefits. He has written books on Noni juice and visited more than 50 doctors and health professionals whose patients previously used or using Noni to treat different conditions. After reviewing the results of the more than 10,000 Noni juice users, he determined that Noni possesses a variety of efficacious medical properties that modern medicine should not ignore. 67% of 847 people with cancer experienced significant lessening of their symptoms. 91% of patients who use Noni juice noticed an increase in energy levels. 72% of overweight patients lost weight. 87% of those drinking Noni juice for high blood pressure experienced a significant drop in blood pressure. Nearly 90% of those with chronic pain experienced a significant decrease in pain. 80% of arthritis sufferers reported a lessening of arthritic symptoms. 80% of people with heart disease experienced a decrease of their symptoms. 83% of patients with type 1 and type 2 diabetes experienced noticeable changes in their condition. 89% of the people experience improved digestion. 85% of people with allergies lessening symptoms. Side effects among all participants were minimal or non-existent. We summarize the data on both several pamphlets and booklets on these findings. Cancer prevention. To take medicine only when you are sick is like digging a well only when you are thirsty. It is not already too late. It's a proverb from Chinese. This proverb suggests that prevention is more important than treatment. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the US. According to the American Cancer Society, 1,500 people per day die from cancer in the United States of America. Fighting against cancer is a great task for the scientists engaged in this field. The studies of food, diet and cancer indicate that lifestyle changes including eating more fruits and vegetables and quitting smoking will benefit cancer patients. This hypothesis was examined using two carcinogenic animal models and one human clinical study of a group of current smokers at the University of Illinois at Chicago, College of Medicine, Rockford, USA. The animal models, including the following: DMBA-induced mammary gland tumorigenesis model and an acute liver injury model induced by a liver carcinogen carbon tetrachloride. If no use can prevent and block the formation of carcinogen-induced DNA adducts, it may prevent cancer at the initial stage. These results indicate that noni juice may prevent mammary breast cancer at the initial stage of chemical carcinogenesis. This preliminary data, I am not going into details, my dear friends, and this regarding of the just conclusion. This preliminary data indicates that noni juice may prevent cancer at the initiation stage of carcinogenesis. Antioxidant activity. In order to explore the mechanism of the cancer preventive effect, noni juice, the antioxidant activity was examined. It is known that oxidative damage induced by reactive free radicals is involved in the development of cancer. Therefore, noni juice has a great potential to scavenge reactive oxygen free radicals. In an acute liver injury model induced by carbon tetrachloride is a liver carcinogen and lipid hydroperoxidation inducer. In conclusion, noni juice may protect liver from the extensive carcinogenic CCl4 exposure. In current smokers, cigarette smoking has been implicated in pathogenesis of emphysema, ischemic heart disease and cancer. The data from the in vitro study CC14 induced liver injury model of female SD rats and current smokers indicate that noni juice is a strong antioxidant which can scavenge reactive oxygen